green bell pepper, diced white onion. Now I'm coming in with my Hormel pepperonis, and they do make these in a turkey pepperoni as well, if that's what you prefer. 1 block Philadelphia cream cheese. Now I'm coming in with my Dano's seasoning, red pepper seasoning. Oh my goodness, y'all, this is so tasty. I like to put it on all kinds of stuff. This one's a little bit spicier than the regular seasoning, but it's perfect for like popcorn, you know, pizzas, basically anything and everything. It's absolutely delicious. Y'all put this on your eggs, put it on everything. Now this is just a can of my onion, Italian style diced tomatoes. There's basil, garlic, oregano. Now I'm coming in with some garlic, just whole, because I love it. We've got a little doodle of tomato paste, about 2 tablespoons. Y'all, this whole tube on sale for $1.99. Wow. All right, now I've got my Italian cheese blend. There's Asiago in this, Parmesan, mozzarella, let's see, Provolone Romano, Fontino, Asiago. Woo, we're gonna put all of that in there. That's just 2 cups, just like that. Alrighty, y'all, we're just gonna pop this in the oven for about 5 minutes at 350. Alrighty, y'all, so I just had this in there for about 10 minutes. I just needed that cream cheese to soften up. We're gonna start mixing all these ingredients together. Now, I could have cut my bell peppers smaller and diced up my pepperonis. It would have made this a little bit easier to mix, but you know, that's what I'm gonna do next time. I recommend you do it that way if you prefer. Sometimes I like big vegetables though. And pepperonis, it's not like they're so big you can't have a bite. Like you eat them on pizza just the same exact way. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying. All right, so yeah, right now I'm thinking, yeah, we're just gonna get this all combined, try and get everything well distributed, but we are gonna add a little bit more to this so that it fills up our whole pan. All right, I've got a little bit of mozzarella that I'm gonna put on top here. I don't have any more of my Italian blend, but I do have some mozzarella, which I'm gonna use to place just on top. I think we're gonna need a little bit more. Just spread, 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 spread. A little bit of Parmigiano, because we are doing, you know, something delicious, something Italian. I'm gonna put some more of this seasoning right on top. Ooh. Gosh, this smells so good, y'all. This seasoning, you have no idea. It is the best seasoning I've ever had in my life. Y'all tell me I use too much cheese. Well, I'm a cheese lover, and the only cure for that is more seasoning. Now I reserved a couple of pepperonis, and we're just gonna pop these little pepperonis right on top here. Oh, y'all, I am excited for this one. This is perfect for game day, hanging out with the boys or the girls on a Sunday, playing games, a game night. This is a delicious addition to any of those events. Alrighty, I'm gonna pop this back in my oven for just a couple of minutes to get that crust nice and bubbly. Alrighty, y'all, this was just back in the oven for about 7 minutes. Look how good it looks with all that red pepper seasoning on top. Oh my goodness. And you know what? This is perfect. Like I said, for your next get together, you can just dip in here. You could use bread like I'm doing. You could use anything you want for this delicious, easy peasy pizza dip. Oh my God. Wow. Y'all, this is so good. You've definitely got to try this.